Hello my lovelies, my name is Odette and I am the owner of Star Lashes by Odette. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are all doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my lovely face here on YouTube, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video and thank you for popping in today. I do appreciate it. I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go and turn on the post notification so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Before we get into the video today, I just want to say thank you for your orders, guys. Thank you so much. Your support means a great deal to me. And thank you to all of you guys who have done some fantastic review. Oh, Bijayanu Chris, you look so absolutely stunning and beautiful in your video. Oh my God. The hair was just giving me good vibes. The hair was so beautiful. Your makeup and the lashes bring it all together. You look absolutely stunning and you did a fantastic job, and I do appreciate the close-up look. It was just the most incredible video you've done, and the review was just top-notch. Thank you so much. Miss Beautiful Bride, Kristen Innie, just got married. Congratulations again. You did a fantastic review on the lashes as well. Thank you so much. And again, I do appreciate the close-up look so people can see what the lashes looks like on. Thank you. You did a fantastic, amazing job, Kristen. Thank you. Simply Dimi, you did a fantastic job as well. You know, you demonstrated with the glasses and all of that. Thank you so much. You did a fine job. Thank you. Miss Beautiful Gorgeous Timmy. Oh my God. Thank you. You've got beautiful small eyes and the lashes make your eyes look so stunning. You did an amazing, incredible job with that review as well. Thank you so much. And I've sent all of the PR out, and some of you have not done reviews yet, but that's okay. I mean, I know everyone's busy and stuff like that, but for all of you who have done the reviews, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I do sincerely appreciate it, and thank you again so much. I do love you guys. So I've talked about Romeo, Faith, and Joy, but I haven't talked about Just Girly. So we are going to talk about Just Girly today. I am wearing Just Girly on my eyes. Let me bring her close so you guys can take a look at her. When you see Just Girly, the name is just on top. There we go. Okay. When you look at her, immediately you will think, oh my God, she's too fluffy and she's too full and she's too dramatic for me. Yes, that's the look you get when you look at her up close. However, when you put her on, you get a whole different feel. You get a whole different look. You get a whole different vibe when she's on your eyes. And I know I have lashes on, yes, but my eyes are looking so different. It looks so natural and sexy and beautiful. You do see that little bit of fullness, yes, but it's not too over dramatic, it's not too overdone, and you still do get that natural vibe look with Just Girly. Really, really pretty. And the lashes are not that long. It has it's very short on the inside and flares nicely on the outside, and it really does give your eyes a beautiful, gorgeous look. It doesn't matter if you have hooded eyes like I do, or smaller eyes, or however shape of eyes you have, these lashes are going to fit you just perfectly. So I do have my glasses here. Let me just do the glasses wear test for you guys. And I need my glasses for driving, guys, okay? Because I'm blind as a bat at nighttime when I'm driving. So my glasses are on my eyes, exactly where my glasses should be. And the lashes are not touching the lenses. Now, if you have a different experience when you put Just Girly on and it touches and it's touching your lenses, leave me a comment below and say, let's know that, you know, you were talking crap. Why is it touching my lenses? So I don't wear my glasses like this. It's not in the middle of my nose. I wear my glasses just right here where it should be, and it's not touching my lens at all. It isn't. And these are my prescription glasses that like I said, I need them for driving at nighttime. And I do wear my reading glasses when I'm on the computer doing work, but these lashes fit perfectly with my glasses. Now, it doesn't matter if you wear glasses or not, these lashes are for you. It's a beautiful brand. I stand behind my brand. I stand behind everything these lashes stands for. When you put these on, again, the look that you get is something natural without looking too over dramatic. You know, I do have many different style of lashes in my collection. Some of them are really long, but for me, you know, I want to be able to have something that I can wear every single day that will make my eyes look a little bit sexy. If you want to go in with your eye, blah blah. If you want to go in with mascara, go right ahead, but just keep in mind that mascara dries out your lashes, but it's fine. You can wash them and you can come back to normal. But I just went in with a little bit of a wing eyeliner today, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this is looking. If you just want to dress up and put these lashes on, that's fine. If you get up in the morning and you just finish your facial routine and you want to just look simple and, you know, just well put together for the rest of the day without going in with a lot of makeup, just put your lashes on and you are good. Someone said to me, I don't wear any makeup, I just like to wear my lashes all the time, and these lashes makes my eyes look so beautiful. People cannot even tell I'm wearing lashes, wow, that I'm wearing glasses. And that was a really nice compliment too. So, and that's something that I said all the time. You can just simply put them on when you get up in the morning after your, you know, your shower routine, and your face is good to go, to just make your eyes look a little bit more popping. So they are really sweet, they are beautiful. So don't be afraid when you see them. You may think, oh my God, they look too full, they look too fluffy for me. No, they don't. Yes, they do, but then when you put them on your eyes, like I said, you get a whole different vibe, a very sexy, beautiful vibe. They are absolutely stunning. And again, for the ordering process, just send me a DM, let me know exactly what you want, and you're going to be receiving 2 in your order. If you want to see a close-up look of the 4 different styles that I do have, please go to my website. I'm going to link it below for you guys. When you click on odette.me.uk, you are going to see the Star Lashes by Odette, and the 4 styles are there, big and bold, so you can see exactly what you want. You can order it from the website, or you can just send me a DM to let me know that you want to get Just Girly or Joy or Romeo or Faith, and you will receive 2 of them. They are £11.99 for 2, and the look you are going to get, it is worth the price, okay? And I'm really, really happy with this brand. I'm happy that I've started this brand. It's beautiful. Everything is going well. Thank you guys, and thank God. And yeah, I am really, really proud. And again, thank you guys so much for your review and your wonderful feedback. And for those of you who haven't done a review yet, just be honest when you're doing your review. Don't be, you know, don't be too shy. Just say exactly what you feel, you know, because, you know, when you're in business, it comes with the good and the bad. But just give me your honest feedback, and, you know, I would appreciate it anyways. So leave me your comments in the description box. Let me know about your ordering process. DM me however you want. I made the ordering process really simple for you guys, so there is no fuss, no muss. Someone was saying to me, I live in Germany, do I need to pay the shipping from there? No. You just place your orders through I think it's like €13.92, which is going to be £11.99. Just do that through PayPal. I do all the shipping from here, and everything's going to be fine. Okay, so on that note, this is the end of the video. Again, all of the ordering details will be below for you guys, so you won't miss a thing. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope I've explained quite a few things in this video for you guys to make clear, because I still do get lots of questions and DMs on Instagram, even though I talk about it in the videos, which I don't mind doing. But I thank you guys so much for watching today. My name is Odette, and I shall see you guys next time. Doodles!